Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you BetMGM how to withdraw. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to do it, first what you need to do is head over and open up your BetMGM account and then log into your account with your credentials. Now what you need to keep in mind is that for your first withdrawal, BetMGM requires identity verification. Be ready to upload ID, proof of address and bank details on app or website. Then once done, all you gotta do is head over to My Account tab and then select Withdrawal. Then from there, you'll be provided with available options which typically include bank transfer, VIP preferred ACH, debit card, PayPal, Venmo, Apple Pay, and BetMGM Play Purse and Bank Wire. You must use a withdrawal method you've used for depositing in the last 6 months or your request might be declined. Then lastly, enter in the amount. The minimum per withdrawal is $20. Follow the prompts to submit. Sometimes entering password is necessary. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.